When replacing the horn, there's two of them. There's one located in the passenger fender well above the fog light and one on the driver's side above the fog light. You have a high and a low. Both have single wires to them. Disconnect the electrical connector. And then you have a mounting bolt up there, 13 millimeter socket or a 1/2 inch. So your new horn is a universal horn, and it will come with 2 prongs, and you have your wire that's going to run as a ground. Now on the factory horn, this is a threaded part that this goes through the whole of the frame of the car, and then that screws into there. If you don't have access to a new nut and bolt, you can remove the bracket from the old horn, discard the horn. You have your new one. Then you can always put that on the back side of the hole, run that through, and use that threaded part. That's what it will look like. Or you could just get yourself a new bolt and nut, run that ground through there, and that's how we're going to do it. Then we're going to put that through the hole that's in the upper fender, tighten it up. So I'm going to run this step through, get the wire out of the way. Get my new nut back. I'm just going to snug up the new bolt with a nut on the back. Grab your connector, put it right on the spade. Make sure your horn vent is facing down. You do not want water to get up in there and settle inside the horn. Looks good.